Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove extensions from your Safari browser on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your Safari browser. You will be able to see the list of extensions in the top bar of Safari. So for example, I have this Notion extension which I want to remove. So to remove that extension, you need to click on this Safari option in the top menu bar. So click on Safari and then click on Settings option here. And once you open the Settings option, you will be able to see different menu options on the top. You need to click on Extensions option in this list. So just click on Extensions option. And once you click on Extensions menu option, you will be able to see the list of all the extensions which you have installed. In my case, I have only one extension, which is this Notion Web Clipper, which I want to uninstall. So in order to uninstall an extension, just select that extension and then you can just click on uninstall. So just click on uninstall. Here you can see this uninstall button. So I'm going to click on this uninstall button, and here it says Notion Web Clipper extension is the part of Notion Web Clipper application. So I'm going to click on show in Finder here, and from here I need to remove this extension. So I can right click on this app here, and then I can move it to the bin, which is going to remove this extension. So I'm going to just click on move to bin, and then I'm going to provide my password and then press enter, and this is going to move my extension into the bin. Once the extension is moved to the bin, you can see under extension there is no extension right now, so it's uninstalled from my Safari browser. Also, you can also see on the Safari menu bar there is no extension there also. So this is how you can remove an extension from your Safari browser. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.